today we're going to be unboxing Lip Monthly and Ipsy in another round of Battle of the Beauty boxes. This is Battle 2, Round 2. So stay tuned to find out what comes in each bag and let me know which one is your winner. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions for men's, women's, kids, food, you name it, I unbox it. And if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So today we are continuing our second battle and this is round 2 of Battle 2. This is month 5 that we have been getting Lip Monthly because it won our first battle. Ipsy, this is our second month getting it, and it has won our first month. So it definitely beat out Lip Monthly last month. Let's go over the rules of the battle. Each subscription has to be within $5 of each other, and you get to choose which one is your favorite, which based on however you want to do it, whether it's the items that you would use the most, the most curious items, the items that you would want to get, however you want to base it, vote on your biggest one. The winner, after 3 months, will go on to the next battle. And so our first battle was Lip Monthly versus Lipstick Junkie. Lip Monthly won all 3 of those months, so it continued on to our next battle. So far, Ipsy was our winner last month. So let's dig on into these bags, find out what we got, and I will kind of let you know my opinion and which one I think is the winner, and you guys can vote up in the I button or down in the comments below. Let me know which one's your winner and also why. I'm curious to know why, what you guys think, what you guys like. So let's start with the winner, Ipsy. A little bit about Ipsy. This is their glam bag. They do have other higher version, they do have other bigger versions of Ipsy as well, but this is their base, their glam bag. You get 5 beauty items in here. They are deluxe sample size, occasionally full size items, and the value of this bag is $50. The cost is $12. So let's dig on in. And all the items are custom made for you. You fill out a quiz and all that jazz online. Ooh, okay, so first thing in the bag, we have our Ipsy bag that comes every month with products inside, and then we have some extra products. So we're going to start with the ones outside the bag. First of all, by Thrive Causemetics, we have Length and Volume Mascara that has Orchid Stem Cell Complex in it. I've never heard of Orchid Stem Cell Complex, so I don't know what it's going to do for your lashes. It's called their Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. It's in this pretty teal package. And just kind of your tapered, plasticky wand. Nothing special about the wand or unique. I prefer brown-black mascaras, honestly. When I'm going for a natural, more chilled look, if I'm going for a more glammed up look, then I do go with the black mascara. I like these little ones because they give you a chance to try other brands without making a huge commitment, and then if you like it, go buy the full version. If you don't like it, no big deal. And then we have 2 face masks. These are by Jayjun Cosmetic. Okay. I was reading that. Apparently it's just 2 J's. Jayjun Cosmetic. We have a calming mask and a brightening mask. I do wish they sent us something a little bit different. We got masks last month from a different brand, but I love masks. Personally, I prefer the tube mask. I don't know, I just like applying the mask to myself, but sheet masks are great. They're quick, they're easy, no muss, no fuss type of a thing. You just rip it open and put it on your face. So I do like a good mask. And this bag is gorgeous. It's a pretty lavender purple with some flowers on it, and it's like a canvasy with kind of like a bamboo ring. I love this. These bags are big enough, like this could be a little clutch or something like that. Yeah, these are nice bags. This is Full Bloom. This is their April bag, but Ipsy, I always get them after the month after I'm supposed to. So they don't have the prices. That's one negative. I wish this would have the price on it. So I will put the prices on the screen when I'm editing so you guys can know what the prices are. I think last month we had, did we have the prices off? I don't remember. Okay, anyhow, let's dig on in. We have a bubble wrapped package. I always love bubble wrap. This is by the brand Oryza Beauty. It's a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow palette. Okay. And wrapped up nicely. Ooh, the plastic is very cheap plasticky feel. Ooh, but that's pretty. You've got one matte over here, and then these three are shimmers. I'm all for good nudes, so let's test this matte out. It's the matte brown, and then it's kind of coppery gold color. Ooh, that's like very creamy. This one is more of a reddish copper. So we have brown, like a gold brown, a copper brown. And then this one is like a rose silvery pink color. Those are pretty, very pretty. From Estate, I believe that's how it said. Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. And there's like water droplets all over this package. That's pretty. Okay, so here's the packaging. Pale pink. And then a gold highlight. I prefer, I don't know, lighter highlights. Okay, that's not so bad. I was expecting it to be way more gold right here than it is. But that's pretty. Yeah, on my skin that looks a lot less gold than in the palette. So, very beautiful. Next, another little box from Kaleido Cosmetics. We have a skin blush. What is skin blush? That guy just that sounds kind of creepy if you ask me. Again, this packaging feels really cheap, plasticky. Okay, it's a pretty pink, like a dusty rose mauve type color. I am not going to swatch this one just because I don't use a whole lot of blushes. My cheeks are naturally very rosy, and I have several blushes that I'm trying to use up, so I don't want to stick my fingers in here. And now we have a little bottle. Pure Heals Propolis Softening Toner. Okay, let's see what it smells like. What is that smell? It's kind of like citrusy. Almost like citronella. Okay, it can't be citronella. That's the smell I'm getting out of it, is citronella. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is supposed to be, let's see. It has propolis extracts. The softening toner is packed with antioxidants and provides antibacterial benefits for smoother, healthier skin. Now let's move on to Lip Monthly. The details about Lip Monthly. It is a lipstick subscription. You receive 4 full-size lip products every month. It could be lipsticks, glosses, lip balms, lip scrubs, anything related to do with the lips. One time we even did receive an eyeshadow. I at the time I was like, I'm not okay with receiving eyeshadow from a strictly lip product box, but after getting it for 5 months, I'm like, okay, an occasional lip or eye product is okay. But on their website, they should let you know that you're not going to get just lip products like they claim, that occasionally you might get some other things. So that's my big thing, is when companies like claim one thing, but then you get something slightly different. I'm okay with getting an eye product here and there, but I don't want it if you're telling me I'm only going to be getting lip products, you know, because that's not what I'm expecting. This little bag here is $12.95 a month, and it's supposed to have a $50 value. This month it comes in a little drawstring canvas bag, and they do provide a card, but it has no information on it as far as the price value. So once again, it'll be on the screen. First off, we have a little container from Naked Cosmetics. I'm assuming it's eyeshadow in the brand Mother Nature. Okay. Let's take off the wrapper. Oh, these like plasticky wrappers, they stick to everything. Ooh, oh dear. So I opened it and I got it everywhere. It is all over. Can you see it on the edge of the screen camera? The jar everywhere. Like, it is just everywhere. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Okay, so here is the color. Can you see that shade? It's like a purpley, silvery, purpley, almost duochrome-esque. It's like a brownish purple, but it's got like, oh, shimmer to it. It's pretty, but my goodness, it is a disaster. Look at this lid, you guys, all over the place. If it's making that much of a mess, for me, when I first open it, like, I have it everywhere. It's all over my lap. It's now on the bag. I am not a fan of loose eyeshadow powders just for that fact. This is the second one I've gotten, and I'll use them. They're beautiful, but, or at least the two that I have are beautiful, but they're just so messy. And maybe if you're a super neat person, it works for you, but I'm a messy person on accident. It just, things are just messy for me. And so, yeah, I'm going to make a huge disaster with that one. Okay, next up from Laritzy Causemetics, we have a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Thrill. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. But I think I already have this one. So I think, oh yeah, definitely. I already have this one. I either got it from Lip Monthly or Lipstick Junkie, but I definitely have this color. So that's going to be going in a giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, you guys, the first one went great, fantastic. So I decided we're going to be doing another giveaway next month. Stay tuned. When I get our next Ipsy and Lip Monthly boxes, I'm going to be doing a lipstick giveaway because I keep accumulating lipsticks, and next month will be 6 months of Lip Monthly, and after 6 months of Lip Monthly and 3 months of Lipstick Junkie, let me tell you, I've got lipsticks like crazy. So it's going to be just a small, nothing big, but a giveaway. I'll probably run it for a couple of weeks. More details on to next month's video. So if you love giveaways, stay tuned for that. That will be again in next month's Battle of the Beauty boxes. Next up from Noyah, I don't know how to say that, is a lip balm in organic vanilla. We have some other ones. I think I got strawberry and maybe it was a vanilla one. So I have gotten Noyah before, but I have not used them just because I have a million. So they're sitting aside waiting for me to use them. And our last product in this little bag is from Bellapierre Cosmetics. It says Glitz Up. Matte to Glitter Lip Cream in the color Posh. Is this one of those, like, when you put it on, it looks matte, but then when you, like, put your lips together, it turns glitter? I love this packaging. The top is, like, so glittery and pink. It's pretty. Ooh, okay. Not the color I was expecting. It's very pretty packaging. Very sleek. But, it says it on here, Posh, and with this, I was thinking more Barbie pink, but this is more like my skin tone pink. So not bad at all. Let's pull out a little mirror. I want to try this on. Let's apply this and see if it actually does go from matte to glitter. It almost looks like I'm not putting anything on. It's very light as far as like the pigmentation of it goes, you know? Can you see it? It's just very, very light, natural-ish looking. Not anything special. See? It doesn't look any like crazy wow bam. I don't see any crazy glitter happening either. It says matte to glitter, but oh, there's a little glitter. Nothing crazy. You know? That's way too close. Okay, let's zoom. Nope, not. Let's go the other way. Zoom you back out. I was like super excited about it. Like, you've seen the ones on YouTube where they put them on, it's matte, they put their lips together, and it's just like glitter. And the more they put their lips together, the more glitter shows up. I was hoping that would happen, but sadly, I don't know. I'm just not seeing it. Maybe I did it wrong. Who knows? I'll play around with that one a little bit more and find out. That is our Battle of the Beauty Box. Personally, I am, I don't know. I love it all. I honestly am so, I'm struggling right now, you guys. I am struggling. I don't know which one I like better. I'm not a huge liquid lipstick fan, so there's that. But of course, getting a lip box, you get tons of liquid lipsticks. I got 2 this month, so maybe take like half a point off for that. The eyeshadow was gorgeous, but messy, so maybe a little bit more for that. But Ipsy at the same time, you got a repeat of sheet masks and blush. I'm not a big blush wearer. I asked them to send blush very infrequently, and that's 2 months in a row I've gotten blush, so that's kind of a negative towards that. But they're both great and fantastic, and I don't know. I'm leaning towards Ipsy just because I have 1,000,001 lip products, and I'm kind of like, I'm done with the lip products. Like, I can't have any more. They're overflowing everywhere. But at the same time, I'm like, I can't just say no to Lip Monthly just because I don't want any more lip products. If it's a good box, it's a good box. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Maybe that will help me decide which one's my favorite. Don't forget to vote up in the I button. And if you are new here or have been hanging around and you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you are you are notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, you can stick around, hang out, watch some more unboxing videos, and hopefully find something that you love. I will see you in the next video. Bye!